it's Josh here, and we're in Xavier's channel right now, and we're gonna be ding dong ditching, and we got Caesar, Deshaun, you on there?
Yep.
Deshaun, that kid, hi, and Sergio. Okay, so first house. What house do you guys want to do first?
That one. No, this one. That one right there.
This house. All right, we need to be quiet though.
I'll go first. We need to do a hidden.
Me and Xavier are gonna do
Both
it.
of us.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna be standing right here.
Remember, run into my garage. Wait, I'll set the camera.
Oh my god! No, I'm gonna. Just freaking.
How are we gonna see their reaction?
You're gonna shut up.
Okay, I don't think anybody answered. That's it.
No one even answered.
Okay, so we don't know which house. What house are we doing next?
I know exactly what house.
Set up the camera first.
Well, there was nowhere to reach. I looked over
There's
there.
a lot, especially that house. There's a lot of places.
Yeah.
Let's do this house, you guys. Let's do it to my mom.
No, let me. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Me and Deshaun.
Set the camera.
Where do you want to set it up?
Right here. Right here. That's good.
No, this is then they can see.
It's us. It's us too. Yeah, that's good.
Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you do it?
No. I just heard it talking.
Josh, let me see my phone. Let me see.
They probably heard us though.
All right, Xavier's gonna take over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is someone off? Alright, I'm gonna knock and set up the camera. No. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
Answer.
Nothing happened.